Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change quality on Crunchyroll. First thing you will have to know is that your quality depends on your internet connection speed. So if your internet connection speed is slow, the quality will be automatically worse because Crunchyroll is using adaptive bitrate. Now play an episode. What you can actually do, even if your internet speed is whatever, is go right here to this gear icon and then click on quality. Set it to highest if you want streams up to the highest quality available, or to moderate, which uses less data by streaming at a standard quality. Or you can also press this data saver, which uses the least amount of data, so good for slower connections or data limitations. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.